Marty Broderson. Prairie chicken. This can be a bad little cat.
Bad eliminator right here. Marty's a good up-and-coming young bull rider, but boy, he gets in some trouble right out of there.
Woo, man, that'll blow your socks off. Wonder what Marty's got to say about that, Russ?
The Prairie chicken was pretty tough, Marty.
Yes, he was. I knew he was a pretty strong bull and stuff, and I knew he was pretty hard to get by and stuff, and I just couldn't handle it, I guess, today.
Well, listen, your time is coming. What are you, 17 years old?
Yeah, just turned 17.